If you won 10 million tomorrow, what would you spend it on?
I would go off the grid. You would never hear from me again.
Oh no.
No, I'm kidding. So my husband and I often talk about starting a nonprofit for kids who have lost a parent, either in the military or line of service or something like that. So that's something that, we would like to do. And so I would definitely take some money and put that aside and, use it to help others. I would also pay off my parents' mortgage, help them with their retirement, travel Europe with my daughter. She has a love affair with Europe, so I plan to take her there someday. Take a nest egg, for my two sons and get them more comfortable than they would be otherwise. And then travel with my husband. We love to travel, and set it aside for retirement as well. And, see if there are other people in the family and friends that we can help along the way. So.